warm welcome to AD4 TV Radio News Update, coming to you live from Abuja, Nigeria's capital territory. I am Gracious Ogun. The federal government in Nigeria is concerned that its decision to ease a 5-week lockdown imposed on its federal capital territory, Lagos and Ogun states, is being abused by Nigerians who went out for business on Monday, violating its stipulated coronavirus containment protocols, which might attract further lockdown. More stories on this will come up in our subsequent bulletins. Still on COVID-19, over $8 billion has been pledged by 40 countries to develop a coronavirus vaccine and fund research into the diagnosis as well as treatment of the dreaded virus through an online summit hosted by the European Union. The European Union Commission President Ursula von der Leyen, who made the statement, assured that the fund for the project would kickstart unprecedented global cooperation to showcase the true value of unity and humanity. The Nigerian Center for Disease Control on Monday confirmed 245 more cases of COVID-19 in 15 states and the Federal Capital Territory. According to the center, as of Monday, 4th May, there are 2,802 confirmed cases of coronavirus in the country, out of which 417 have been discharged, while 93 deaths have been recorded. In the same vein, the number of deaths resulting from the coronavirus pandemic worldwide is over 250,000. The Johns Hopkins University reports indicates that 251,365 deaths and 3,580,247 cases have been confirmed worldwide as of 9 p.m. this Monday. In another development, the Minister of Foreign Affairs Nigeria, Godfrey Onyema, has confirmed the evacuation of Nigerians abroad from this Wednesday following the COVID-19 pandemic. According to him, the first set of returnees coming from the United States of America is expected to arrive the country via the Murtala Muhammed International Airport, Lagos.
Dear colleagues, as we continue to deal with the impact of the coronavirus, we are concerned that there's so much fake news about COVID-19 in circulation. Clearly, we are not just dealing with a pandemic, but an infodemic. As public relations practitioners, we urge all our registered professional colleagues in the NIPR FCT chapter, and indeed all citizens, to use the social media responsibly by only sharing information that is factual and authentic.
If you or someone around you displays COVID-19 symptoms,
please do not hide or assist someone to hide the symptoms, as you put yourself, health workers, and others at risk.
Working in the hospital also gives me the opportunity to let you know that COVID-19 is real. We should abide by the government regulations.
We commend our Honorable Minister of FCT and the Minister of State FCT for their relentless efforts in the fight against coronavirus within the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Dear FCT residents, dear professional colleagues,
let us take responsibility, maintain social distancing,
maintain physical distancing, practice frequent hand washing under running water for not less than 20 seconds,
and observe heightened personal hygiene. Stay safe, let's stay alive together.
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 This message is from the Nigerian Institute of Public Relations, NIPR, FCT chapter.
The governor of Borno State, Nigeria, Professor Babagana Zulum, has approved the appointment of Umar Ibn Shehu Kyari Ibn Umar El-Kanimi as the new emir of Bama, following the death of his father, which was reported some days ago on AD4 TV Radio News. This was conveyed to the new emir in a letter presented to him by the secretary to the state government on Monday. In another development, the governor of Ogun State, Southwest Nigeria, Dapo Abiodun, has directed that the state's Ministry of Environment fumigates the National Youth Service Corps in the state to support government in curbing the spread of the dreaded COVID-19 at its workplace. The United States Food and Drug Administration on Monday warned against websites selling of HIV and influenza drugs for treatment of coronavirus. Details on this would come up in our subsequent bulletins. Still on coronavirus, the Health Ministry in Japan this Tuesday announced 174 new coronavirus cases and 11 additional deaths in the country. Japan's capital, Tokyo, recorded 87 new cases and 5 deaths this Monday, bringing the city's total to 4,654 cases and 150 deaths. The country's total number of infections currently stands at 15,943 with 534 deaths. In a related move, the Aliko Dangote Foundation has contracted 54Gene, a molecule diagnostic company specialized in research and diagnostics, to immediately set up a 400 test per day capacity laboratory in Kano, Nigeria, his home state. The lab inaugurated this Monday will start testing 400 samples a day, increasing to 1,000 per day by May, according to projections. The chairman of the Taraba State COVID-19 Technical Committee, Dr. Innocent Vakia, said Talatu Idris, the COVID-19 positive patient who escaped from the state isolation center, has been apprehended and returned to the isolation center. This calls for more sensitization and campaigns to citizens of the country not to look at contracting the virus as a death sentence or as a stigma, which AD4 TV Radio has been doing. Talking sports, Egypt's Youssef Hossam has been banned from professional tennis for life, following his conviction on multiple counts of match fixing and associated corruption charges. The ban comes 2 years after his brother was also permanently excluded from the sport for corruption. That's it on AD4 TV Radio News Updates, coming to you live from Abuja, Nigeria's capital. You can join the conversation on our website at www.ad4tvradio.com. Please follow us on our social media platforms at AD4 TV Radio on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel at AD4 TV Radio. Many thanks for watching. I am Gracious Ogon.